What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabsome besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. Today's backdrop is featuring items from Random Doll Stuff 12 in one of our rooms with magnetic wallpaper. I've been doing a little shopping and I wanted to take a look at a few things on Amazon, like fashion. But before we do that, we're gonna need a model. Lately, I've been going through boxes trying to downsize my doll collection, and I found a star doll. These came out a long time ago, like before we had made-to-move bodies. We did a review 10 years ago. This doll was based off of an online fashion game and was produced by Mattel. They only have 3 points of articulation at the head and at the shoulders. I think she might be a match for the green tie-dye made-to-move Barbie. It's not perfect. It's really close to her body's skin tone, but it's a little off from her face. But we're gonna do it anyway. She'll be right back. I'm preparing the hot water. I place the doll in a plastic bag, then into a cup of hot water to soften. Then we can remove the head. I add the star doll head, and it's okay, but I don't know. Let's try this one instead. Yeah, I think that's a better match. Her hair got wet, so we're gonna let her dry off for a second and find her something comfy to wear, like this 8-piece set we bought on Amazon. It was $14.99, so we're paying about $3.75 per outfit. It came vacuum sealed, so everything is kind of wrinkled. I ended up with 2 pairs of black jeans, and they look pretty much the same, and 2 denim pairs of jeans. They are slightly different shades of blue, and I like the cuffs at the bottom of this one better than that one. The cut of the jeans isn't too bad. It's kind of like a relaxed fit, and it's denim. It's not printed. They Velcro in the back. To me, they would have been pretty decent if they were just turned under and hemmed rather than cuffed. All of the sweaters seem to be the same, just different colors. They are oversized knit sweaters with large collars. There's a nice little design on the front, and it is plain on the back. The collar is pretty wide. We can try to wear it off one shoulder, off 2 shoulders, or have fun folding it here and there, trying to come up with different looks. Here's the sweater with jeans, and here it is, styled as a sweater dress. The black jeans do make me a little nervous about staining, so I'm probably gonna wash those a couple of times. But I'm usually pretty paranoid about staining, so there's that. Here's the black jeans with the yellow sweater. I do see me later pulling out this side seam and hemming the bottom of these jeans. Here's the pink sweater, paired with the second pair of blue jeans. They have a wide cuff at the bottom. They do look a little neater to me. However, I think they're a tiny bit shorter. What would it look like if I just unfolded them? Oh, wow, we're gonna get some nice length there. However, we will have to hem it. However, it is sewn into the seam, so removing that cuff is gonna require a little bit of work. And here is the blue sweater being worn as a sweater dress. For the price, I think the sweaters look comfy and cozy. They're pretty easy to get on the doll, and I will definitely be adding them to my doll's wardrobe. I will most likely alter the jeans when I get a chance. I also bought the Vibrant Style set from the same Amazon store for $13.99. The picture showed 2 sets of floral pants, and that's not what I got. However, I do think the cherry pants are kind of cute. They have a little stretch to them, but there is a little bit of a smell, so we're gonna wash these and come back to them another day. But they did come with little knit cardigans that I paired with the jeans from the earlier set. I think the cardigan is a little bulky on the doll, and the buttons are huge. Seriously, I wonder what it would look like without the buttons. Oh, like that. And I like it. I just paired it with a white Creatable World top, and it's totally giving that I just want to curl up with a good book kind of vibe. There's a black cardigan, a pink one, and a blue. Then I was wondering, can I just get the cardigans without the pants? Yes, I can. They were $11.99. I don't notice any smell with these. They still come with those large buttons, that we can remove if we want. We get a lavender cardigan, black, pink, and cream. So the two sets of cardigans, the one with the pants and the one without, are pretty much the same, only one comes with a blue cardigan and the other one has a lavender. I hand washed the pants and allowed them to dry overnight. If you do choose to wash these, I would recommend washing them separately. While washing the darker colors, I did notice a lot of dye coming out. So we're just going to try on the cherry pants. They have red stitching and are hemmed at the bottom. They stop right at the ankle on this classic made-to-move Barbie body. They Velcro in the back, and I think they're kind of cute and totally giving me a summer vibe. I will most likely pull the other pants apart and see what I can salvage later. At $11.99 for 4 cardigans, that's about $2.99 each. I was looking for a few more options to go with those cardigans, and I thought we'd try out these pleated skirts for $9.99. I got 3 skirts, they were all individually wrapped, and 3 skirts for $9.99. That comes out to be around $3.33 each. However, they are not the exact colors that were pictured. While these two look similar, I thought this one was going to be blue and yellow. The skirt opens up completely in the back with Velcro. This skirt came with a wide waistband and it sits high on the doll's waist. The pleats pretty much go all the way around, but I like it. I think it pairs nicely with the cardigan. In person, this skirt looks navy blue and cream. The waistband is shorter. It even has a softer, thinner Velcro, and I think it's a nice fit. Our last skirt is orange and green, perfect for fall, and it has the thinner waistband and Velcro. And it matches my room. How would these skirts and cardigans look on a curvy Barbie? The skirt sits even higher on a curvy, making it a little shorter at the bottom. I found it a little difficult to close it completely with the Velcro in the back, but the cardigan can easily cover that up, and I think it could work. Here's the oversized yellow sweater with a skirt. Another great look for fall. Here it is as a sweater dress. I also think this looks great. And I can get one of the loose fit jeans on the curvy, however, I cannot get it to close in the back. So far, I like the sweaters, the cardigans, and most of the skirts. However, the pants are a hit or miss. I don't want the guys to feel left out, so I picked up a pair of jeans for them. They were $11.69. They are a nice thin fabric, and it came with a belt and pockets. Are they closed pockets? Oh, they are. So they are working pockets that we can actually put stuff in. There are also working pockets on the back. I love the gold stitching and this little piece of red ribbon. Love the details. They open and close with Velcro in the front. On a classic Ken, they are a little loose around the waist and hit right at the ankle. Oh my goodness, the belt is like a real belt. And it does help to hold the pants up. Totally not bad for the price. In my opinion, of course. And they are a better fit on a buff Ken. I picked up this retro set for $9.99. Let's open it up and have a look. The included bag is a stiff felt with a pocket in the front and a snap. It's kind of large and has a very long shoulder strap. Yeah. We also got plastic black shoes, a red hat, it's kind of fuzzy, red socks with a raw edge at the top, a red long sleeve shirt, and denim overalls with brown straps. I see brown stitching, a few random threads here and there, and working pockets. The shirt velcros in the back. Here's the outfit on the doll. The strap on the hat is a little bulky. The hat sits a little large, but you could probably get away with it. I removed the ribbon, and yeah, I think the hat is doable. The fit on the shirt is a little bulky, and the bib on the overalls does sit a little low. But I think the shorts with the pockets are kind of cute. I would have wanted the top of the socks to be hemmed, but they do fit inside the included shoes. The overalls have these little buckles, which I think are cute. I paired it with the white Creatable World t-shirt and the lavender cardigan. I think this is a cute look for those warmer fall days. I bought this dress for $12.99 and I thought it would be really cute if the dolls wanted to dress up. It came with a headband that is too large for a Barbie and a small purse with Velcro. On the dress, the fabric feels a little hard. It does have lace and ribbon and tulle. We have some random threads and it Velcros in the back. It's a little large on a classic Barbie. It's a slightly better fit on a curvy, but I don't know. I was hoping to create like a Candy Witch kind of costume, but Out of all of today's finds, I like the jeans for Buffkin, the oversized sweaters, the pleated skirt, the cardigans, and giving an old doll a new life. Welcome to the shelf, Olivia. Thank you for joining us today while we checked out some Amazon fashion. If you see items you would like for us to take a look at, let us know in the comments down below. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at My Froggy Stuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of My Froggy Stuff. And we will see you next time.